All right, wanted to make a quick update on the Skylark. Things are going, we're kind of in a hurry up and wait mode still, but some big things happened today. So the biggest thing that happened was I got the heads back from the machine shop after 2 months. Not their fault, not anybody's fault, just they're busy. I had some rigmarole with stuff, so got those installed today. I need to install the roller rockers and measure my push rods with my Smith Brothers push rod measuring kit. I kind of messed around with it today, but I wanted to make sure I do it right. So while I'm waiting, what I've been working on is another engine. And this one is pretty rad. This is the Visible V8 kit. My son got this a few years ago, but he was too young for it. So it's been really fun to kind of like go along and assemble this thing as I'm putting heads on my real engine, and I'm also putting heads on my Visible V8. So that's what I'm doing. I've always wanted one of these things, and it's great that I inherited this kit from Carter. It's really cool to see everything move around. I'm not going to move it around right now because it's kind of, I think everything needs to be hooked up. In order for it to not skip this tooth here. Like right now you can tell see, look at that. I'm not at top dead center, and my timing gear is, so I'm this thing would never run if I tried to start it up right now. Yeah, fun stuff. Really cool to see everything move around. It's even got like the fuel pump. So I'm gonna work on this, and I'll film some video of it working.